What you doing? Evan. Evan, what you doing? Almost there. Don't give up. You can do it. Oh, Evan.
What? What is Shane trying to do? What is Shane going to do?
Don't push it towards him. He's trying to get it. He's trying to get one of his toys. But he's got to get up and move. No, oh, don't move closer. I want him.
No fair.
Okay, well that's fair. So let's leave it right there. No, Elliot, I want him to go get it.
No, it's no fair.
Like, See, tell him you can do it. Now go get ready for karate. Don't give it to him, please.
I'm not giving it. Go.
Oh, you got it! Yay for Evie! Say yay for Evan! Ow. Talking about taking away all the effort it's going to take to get all those toys.
Try to eat this one. Go down.